Hello and hi everyone, my name is Rawen and I'm back again with another quick video. Due to FMCO, many of us has been work from home to keep our family and friends safe. iPad make many ways to help usable for everyone, but there are certain features that are especially useful for older people who may not be familiar with technology or have disability to consider. So today in this video, I'm going to show you two features on accessibility for iPad. First, go setting, tap accessibility, tap magnifier. Using your iPad camera, you can magnify something in your surroundings. There is just simple toggle to enable the magnifier along with the option to automatically adjust the exposure filter, and it works just like a digital magnifying glass. To open it, triple click the home button or triple click top button or certain iPad model. You can add it to control center also. First, go setting, tap accessibility, scroll down and tap voice control. When voice control is turned on, you can speak command just like you would perform an action by touch. For example, to access spotlight search on the home screen, say swipe down. To access certain apps like App Store, say long press App Store. To see a list of available commands for different situations, say show me what to say. To activate listening, you can say go to sleep or wake up. The listening feature doesn't turn off, but put the microphone sleep until you wake your device with a command. Machine Protection Plan protect your device against accidental damage or liquid damage incident which isn't covered by the standard 1-year Apple warranty. I hope that you learned something new from this video. Until next time, once again, my name is Rawen. Thank you for watching and stay safe.